I'm Janelle Sahutski, the architectural conservator here at Preservation Virginia, and today we are standing in front of the slave dwelling and smokehouse project that we have started with Dominion Traditional Building Group as the masonry contractor. Terry and David are here working on the interior fireboxes of our chimneys and reestablishing the arches of the fireboxes. Bacon's Castle was built by Arthur Allen in 1665 as a private residence, and it stayed in private residence until Preservation Virginia became its steward in the 1970s. For nearly 50 years, we've worked with the local community to help preserve this National Historic Landmark for future generations. The slave quarter was built in 1829 and then later enlarged in 1849, and even later served as tenant housing to farm the land here at Bacon's Castle. The current restoration project of the slave quarter is mostly masonry work. The scaffolding that you can see set up here, they've already completed the exterior work by repointing and replacing severely deteriorated bricks. The majority of the work being completed on the smokehouse has to do with the foundation. First, archaeology is done to expose the foundation, and then it will be repointed and stabilized before additional layers are added to the top of the foundation to keep the wood from sitting on the ground directly. The restoration of the slave quarter and smokehouse will be completed in the spring of 2019, at which point we can't wait to share the fantastic preservation work that's been going on here at Bacon's Castle.